Hey guys, quick video here. I'm trying to read the codes on my 2006 F-150 because I have a check engine light and an ABS light on, and my scanner won't read the codes. It keeps telling me zero decoding fail, and then I put in my bin number. I punch it in by hand, and then it says that it's unable to read the codes. And I've been kind of here thinking like, okay, what's wrong, you know? And then I remember a few years ago, I did the same on my E350, and I decided to check my cigarette lighter, see if it worked. It didn't work. So it's a very simple fix. It means that your OBD2 over there is not getting power from the fuse. So one quick way to check that is you push in your cigarette lighter, and if it doesn't turn on, then it's for sure the fuse for the cigarette lighter that powers the OBD2. And I looked it up on my owner's manual. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's number 41. It's a 20 amp fuse cigarette lighter. It says the cigarette lighter diagnostic connector power, and it'll be down there on the passenger side. So let's go over there. I haven't checked it yet, but I bet you it's blown. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are. So the box goes like this, standing up like this, and it says it's number 41, which is this one right here on the side, which should be this green one right here. We're gonna go ahead and pull that one out. Okay, let's see if it's blown. Yep, it's blown. Check it out. I don't know if you can see it. It's too light. Let's see, it's too much light. Right there. You can see right there it's blown. You can see the cut right there. It's cut in half. That means it's not getting any power. So I got new fuses, 20 amp. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, and then we're gonna get back to the scanner. Okay, got it in. There's that one right there, right under the number 10. We're gonna see if it works now. Gonna see if he reads the bin number. There you go. Okay, we're gonna hit OK, and it should pop up the information on the truck, the year, model, and all that stuff. There it is. You can see now it says the F-150, 3-valve, 5.4, automatic, gasoline. Yes. Now scanning. Okay, so this quick video was just about how to get your OBD2 to work if it's not working. So go ahead and replace that with the 20 amp, and you should be good to go. Okay, bye now.